That's right. With the till and seed from Brillion, one pass with one machine and you are done. The till and seed was designed using Brillion's many years of seeder expertise. It's tough, durable, and easy to use. It can rejuvenate pastures, restore athletic fields and lawns, shred and plant into tall stands of grass and wildlife food plots, loosen compacted gravel, and more. You ask, how can one machine be able to handle all of these jobs? Here's how. Forget about a cumbersome PTO drive. The till and seed uses a simple ground-driven front rotor to drive a second rotor twice as fast. This simultaneously tills the ground and mixes in the seed. The two rotors also mesh together, providing a unique and very effective self-cleaning action. Both rotors, as well as the cast iron firming roller, independently follow the ground contour, ensuring an ideal seedbed. Need to do more tillage action or shred existing food plots before planting? No problem. Just disconnect the seed drive and allow the rotors to do their job. Once ready to plant, the proven Brillion seed metering system will accurately handle a variety of seeds from grass, alfalfa, and clover, up to seeds the size of soybeans. Once your job is done, you'll be looking for more ways to use this versatile machine. Not much time? No problem. The till and seed can be operated at speeds of up to 8 miles per hour in favorable conditions. The tractor needs to be equipped with a Category 1 or 2 3-point hitch capable of lifting 2,000 pounds 24 inches behind the hitch pins. Convenience and versatility all in one tool. With the till and seed, you are one and done. Get thicker stands and higher yields with Brillion Sure Stand seeders. Front rollers crush lumps, press down small stones, and form a firm seed bed. Precision seeding devices meter out the seed onto the well-prepared seed bed. The rear rollers split the shallow ridges formed by the front rollers and gently firm the soil around the tiny seeds. All seeds are planted at fingernail depth for a top germination and fast emergence. Because of Brillion's precision placement of the seeds, seeding rates can often be cut dramatically. In many cases, the savings in seed alone will pay for a Sure Stand seeder in just a short time. Don't risk your crop to another system. Don't settle for less. Use the one seeding method that you can depend on to produce a top stand time after time. A Brillion Sure Stand seeder.